Alrighty, it is a few minutes after 8:40, so let's get started with our 2020-21 Donruss Optic Basketball Random Player 1 Megabox break number 6. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then mash that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Evan in the top spot and Hector in the bottom spot. So we'll just cut and paste that list next to our alphabetical player list. We will sort our cut and pasted list by everybody's names, and we'll go through that list briefly so everybody knows which players they've got in the break, and then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's open up our box and see what we get. Oh, one pack hiding in there. All right, that is all of our packs. Pack number 1. Brandon Clark, silver. Ooh, how about that? Well, Obi Toppin, rated rookie, Purple Shock Prism. Not too bad. Denny, rated rookie. LeBron James Air Defense insert. And Thomas Bryant Purple Shock Prism. And we have a James Harden Silver Splash insert. And then we have a Jaden McDaniels rated rookie Purple Shock Prism. Aaron Nesmith rated rookie. Then we have a James Harden Purple Prism Express Line insert. And then a Buddy Hield Purple Shock Prism parallel. Next pack. Elijah Hughes, rated rookie silver. Then a Purple Shock Prism of Elfrid Payton. Jamius Ramsey, rated rookie. And an Express Line Anthony Hardaway insert. And then a Purple Shock Prism of Terry Rozier. Then we have a silver My House Nikola Jokic insert. And a Nick Richards Purple Shock rated rookie prism. Sadiq Bey, rated rookie. Then we have a Purple Prism Giannis Air Defense insert, followed up by a Giannis Purple Shock Prism parallel. 2 cards, 1 pack for the Giannis spot. Next pack. Winner stays Kyle Lowry. And then a Purple Shock Prism of Gordon Hayward. Malachi Flynn, rated rookie. Then we have a Donovan Mitchell T-321 insert. Followed up by, oh, a Luca Purple Shock Prism. Very nice. Then we have a Dame My House insert. And a Josh Green Rated Rookie Purple Shock Prism. Patrick Williams, Rated Rookie. And we have a Buddy Hield Splash insert to go with the Purple Shock Prism we pulled earlier in the box. And then we have a Jusuf Nurkic Purple Shock Prism. Next pack. We have a silver Kyle Lowry and a Purple Shock Prism of Kevin Porter Jr. Last pack. Jordan Nwora, Rated Rookie. And a Dame Express Lane insert. And then we have a Trae Young Purple Shock Prism. Alrighty, so now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go through our list and see who got which cards. Alrighty, we'll start with our base rated rookies. First one is Jordan Nwora. And that goes to Lawrence. Congrats on that, Lawrence. And then next is Patrick Williams. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And next is Malachi Flynn. And that goes to Fred as well. Back to back. Congrats on that. And then next is Sadiq Bey. And that goes to Wayne. Congrats on that, Wayne. And then next is Jamius Ramsey. And that goes to Hector. Congrats on that, Hector. And then next is Aaron Neesmith. And that goes to Lester. Congrats on that, Lester. And then next, our last rated rookie is Denny Avdija. I find all kinds of ways to butcher his last name. And that goes to Evan. Congrats on that, Evan. So next, we'll go through all of our inserts. We have quite a few of them. First is our Damian Lillard Express Lane insert. And that goes to Eric. Congrats on that, Eric. I think we also pulled a second Dame insert via My House insert as well. So, Eric, you get both of those. Congrats on that. And then next is our Buddy Hield Splash insert. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that, Pablo. And you also get his Purple Shock Prism parallel as well. Congrats on those. And then next is our Donovan Mitchell T-321. And that goes to Joe. Congrats on that, Joe. And then next is our Winter Stays Kyle Lowry. And that goes to Pablo. And we also pulled his silver prism parallel as well. So you'll get both of those. Congrats on those. And then next is our purple prism air defense Giannis to go with his purple shock prism that we also pulled. And both of those go to Lester. Congrats on those, Lester. And then next is our silver My House Nikola Jokic. And that goes to Joe. Doubling up. Congrats on that, Joe. And then next is our Express Lane Anthony Hardaway. And that goes to Robert. Congrats on that, Robert. And the next is our LeBron Air Defense insert. And that goes to Joe as well. Congrats on that, Joe, with the triple. And then next is our James Harden Purple Prism Express Lane. And we also have a James Harden Silver Splash insert. And both of those go to Evan. Congrats on those. All right, so next we'll go through all of our base set parallels. First off, we have our 3 silver prisms, or I should say our 2. Our first one is Elijah Hughes, and that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then our second one is Brandon Clark, and that goes to Justin. Congrats on that, Justin. So then next, we will go through our Purple Shock Prism parallels. Our first one is Trae Young. And that goes to Lester. Congrats on that, Lester. Next is Kevin Porter Jr. And that goes to Justin. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is Jurslif Nurkic. And that goes to Wayne. Congrats on that, Wayne. And then next is Josh Green. And that goes to Eric. Congrats on that, Eric. And then next is Luca. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is Gordon Hayward. And that goes to Lester. Congrats on that, Lester. And then next is Nick Richards. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is Terry Rozier. And that goes to Fred as well. Fred with the big stack. Congrats on that. And then next is Elfrid Payton. And that goes to Lester. Congrats on that, Lester. And the next is Thomas Bryant. And that goes to Wayne. Congrats on that, Wayne. And then next is Jaden McDaniels. And that goes to Lester. Congrats on that. And then our last Purple Shock Prism parallel is our Obi Toppin rated rookie. And that goes to David. Congrats on that, David. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2021 Donruss Optic Basketball Random Player 1 Mega Box Break number 6. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 21 Panini Elements Football Random Player 1 Box Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.